profession I am teacher in Blossom Public School. So here I am for the DMIT test for my daughter Anvi Shukla. She is in grade 10 ICSE. The main motive of us for doing this test was that we were not clear about her career options. Like we were having multiple choices, either we should go for it, go for that, and we were not having the clear picture in our mind. So we came across, and one of like searching in the Google and all, we came across this test. So we contacted here in Rathi classes, and they suggested go for DMIT test. Then also I haven't started, just quick decision was not there. I was just searching in the Google what is this test actually. Then ma'am told us about this test is very effective and all. And today, after analyzing all the report and this session, I truly and strongly recommend that students, especially of this age, when they are confused because they are under pressure, lot of pressure is there for the board exam and all. So strongly recommend that they should go for this test. They should at least get a clear picture. Now I have the clear picture in my mind, so I will plan the way that my daughter should go for that. I know her skills which were not identifying. It was there in her brain, but I was not able to identify. So now I have that clear picture, and thank you so much for this report. It was very, very effective session. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anvi Shukla, studying in grade 10, Euro School Wakad, and I've applied for RT classes as test series. And initially when I entered grade 10, I started to panic a lot regarding the career options, because all of my friends have decided their career, where they have to go and all, and they kept on asking me that what are you doing, what are you doing. I did not know anything. I used to be blank and I did not like that. So my mother, she searched for various options and she got to know about this DMIT test. So she contacted here, and I remember in the first session, ma'am took my fingerprints and all, and some of my traits were highlighted there, not many but yeah, and I got very excited and I was like, yeah, what will happen in the report, what will happen in the report. And then we saw the report and I'm glad about it. I got to know various facts which I was not aware of, and my potential and what I have to improve, what are my strengths. The career options also are shocking, and I'll try to work on them, and I'm happy about it. So thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Mohit Shukla. We came here for our daughter Anvi Shukla's DMIT test. We came to know about that this test is useful for the students or the who are just pursuing their career and they want to know about it, what career option they should choose. And especially for me, actually, I know my daughter very well, what personality she is at, but I want her to realize that this is what her personality is, she carries it, and what improvement she has to do it, because she has to realize that these are the things on which I have to improve upon, and these are my strengths and these are my weaknesses, and how I can overcome my weaknesses. And as a parent, we want her to grow in her career, and we want her to take guidance and also take proper career options. It's whatever interest she has, definitely she has to pursue that. But apart from that, anyway, for bread and butter, she has to choose some options which is very useful in her life. So thanks to Rathi classes for arranging this session. And we are very glad that at least my daughter has understood what she is and how she has to improve upon. Thank you.
Great.